Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert a PDF file to BMP format using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now select convert option in this menu bar, and here you will find these two image option. Click here and this output format box, click this down arrow and scroll down, and this is BMP option. Select this one. Now select setting option. Here you can change image quality. You can make it default quality, or you can change, you can make each page of the PDF as separate images or extract images from PDF file and so on. And you can convert all page or custom page. Now select OK, and this output folder you can select same folder or specific folder. Here you can change a specific folder. I'll select this source folder and select OK. Converted already finished, and select open folder, and this is our BMP image format, and select properties and say this BMP. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.